How to recover old WhatsApp account without SIM. So if you want to recover your old WhatsApp account without your SIM card, then first open up your WhatsApp application. Go for the upper right, which has that three dots icon. Tap on the settings, and under your settings you can scroll down, and here you can go for help. And under help you can go for help center or contact us, and here you need to simply search for your problem. Like I'll be searching account and account bans, and here you don't have that option, right? So you need to simply go for the search bar, and here you need to search for recover old WhatsApp account without SIM. And once you've done that, here you will have all of the searches with your related question. And here you can simply go for the second option, which is about lost or stolen phone and account. And here you will have all of the information on how to recover that. You can also do the end-to-end encrypted option, or if you don't find anything related here, then you can simply tap on no, which is on the bottom, and here tap on other and then submit the feedback. And once you've done that, now you can simply go for the support, which is on the bottom right. And once you're here on the support, it will take you to contact us option. And here you need to write that I want to recover my old WhatsApp account without the SIM card. The SIM card is not available right now, so I have lost access to my SIM card. And once you've written that, you need to enter your phone number also, and then you can tap on next, which is on the bottom of your screen, and WhatsApp chat will respond you within an hour or within 24 hours. And after that you will be taken to the fix of your problem. So that's how you can recover your old WhatsApp account without the SIM card. It's the only way, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.